Friends, completing step number 5, secure your account, in the Pi KYC submission process to migrate to mainnet is a significant milestone. Like you, thousands of others are stuck at this step. Despite multiple attempts, you may have been unable to complete this step, leading to frustration, even after watching countless YouTube videos on the subject. But you finally arrived at the right video. Here, we won't give up until the process is successfully completed. This video will be streamed live, without any cuts or pauses, to ensure that you stay motivated and see every step in real time. If you watch the entire video without skipping a single second, you will increase your chances of success. I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, Digit Dawn. For this demonstration, we will use an account where our team members have tried and failed for several weeks. Stay with us as we attempt to complete Step 5 of the mainnet checklist. We will begin with a simple approach, as it might work this time. If not, we will take additional actions and won't stop until we succeed. Based on our experience, we are confident that we can get it done. To prevent any interruptions or unnecessary delays in the process, please ensure the following. Your SIM card has sufficient balance to send multiple international SMS, as you may need to send messages more than once. Your phone is adequately charged to avoid disruptions. You have easy access to the email associated with your Pi account, along with its password. Close all unnecessary tabs and apps running in the background on your phone to ensure smooth processing. Let's get started. Select any country from the list. Choose manual instructions instead of start. Select and copy the provided phone number completely. Switch to your phone's home screen and open the Messages app. Tap on Start Chat. Paste the copied phone number into the recipient field. Switch back to the Pi window and copy the 4-digit, or sometimes 5-digit verification code. Return to the Messages app and paste the copied code into the message body. Send the SMS. Ensure that the SMS has been successfully sent. Immediately switch back to the Pi window and click, I have sent the text. Wait for the verification process to complete. It may take some time. If the loading circle keeps spinning for too long, your attempt has failed. You can retry with a different country. Before attempting again, completely close all open tabs, including Pi and Messages. Do not attempt a retry within the same session. Always start fresh for a new attempt. Since the attempt was unsuccessful, let's proceed with additional actions. Switch back to the main screen of the Pi Network app. Open your profile. Check if your email address is verified. If not, tap Verify. Ensure the displayed email address is correct, then confirm by clicking Verify. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Pi Network. If you don't see it, double-check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and click the verification link. Confirm that the email verification was successful. Go back to your Pi profile and ensure your email is now marked as verified. Now reattempt phone verification. Repeat the entire phone verification process step by step. If the attempt fails again, don't worry. We will keep going until we succeed. There's no doubt we'll get it done today. Switch back to your profile. Even though we are sure that our Pi network account password is correct, we will update it. It will extensively initiate phone verification. Select your country here. Enter your phone number. Click Start. Oops! Don't worry. Go back and attempt password updation by email. Ensure this is your email and click Continue. Check your email inbox to find the verification link sent by Pi. Within the verification link, click on Reset My Password. Enter here your new Pi network account password. Keep it safe, otherwise you will not be able to access your account. Remember, after creating the new password, your account will be logged out. Confirm your email address. Your password has been updated successfully. Try phone verification once again from here. Repeat the same process. We are sure this time we will not fail. Just close all tabs and re-enter into the Pi network account. Remember, you will be required to verify your identity this time, as lastly you had changed the account password. Click Continue with phone number. Enter your country code and phone number. Enter your password that you have recently updated. Wow! Our step number 5, secure your account, has completed. Subscribe our channel to stay updated about crypto, including Pi and other interesting topics. You know, there is one and only key to success, that is patience and consistency. So be intact and don't listen to people who make you disheartened. We all together will be successful, no doubt.
you